Let's be honest, folks, there's something truly magical about breakfast. It's not just the first meal of the day, it's a ritual, a moment to gather, to laugh, and to savor the simple pleasures of life. And at the heart of so many breakfast tables, there's one ingredient that stands out above the rest. Bacon is more than just food, it's a cultural phenomenon, a symbol of indulgence and comfort that has found its way into our hearts, our kitchens, and even our pop culture. From bacon-themed t-shirts to bacon-scented candles, it's clear that people can't get enough of this crispy delight. It's the star of breakfast plates and BLTs around the world. Whether you're in a cozy American diner, a bustling London cafe, or a trendy Tokyo brunch spot, bacon makes an appearance, uniting food lovers everywhere with its irresistible charm. We love its crispy texture, the way it crackles in the pan, and that smoky, savory flavor that fills the kitchen and makes mouths water. It's a sensory experience that starts with the sizzle and ends with that perfect, satisfying crunch. But have you ever wondered how that humble slab of pork belly transforms into the glorious bacon we know and love? It's a journey that combines tradition, science, and a little bit of culinary magic. Get ready for a behind-the-scenes tour of the bacon factory. We'll step inside the world of food production, where skilled workers and high-tech machines work together to create the bacon that ends up on your plate. Buckle up, because things are about to get delicious. You'll see how every step, from seasoning to smoking, is carefully crafted to bring out the best in every strip. We're diving deep into the world of mass-produced bacon, where efficiency meets flavor. Modern technology ensures that each slice is perfectly cut, perfectly cooked, and ready to satisfy bacon lovers everywhere. We'll uncover the secrets behind each step, from sourcing the finest pork belly to the intricate curing process, and finally, to packaging those crispy strips so they stay fresh until they reach your kitchen. Whether you're a bacon aficionado who can't imagine breakfast without it, or just curious about what goes into your favorite foods, this journey will give you a newfound appreciation for this breakfast staple. You'll see the care, the passion, and the expertise that goes into every bite. So grab a napkin for that drool, and let's get started. Prepare to fall in love with bacon all over again as we explore its delicious story from farm to table. Our bacon adventure begins on the farm. That's right, before it's sizzling in your pan, bacon starts as pork belly, a fatty cut from the underside of the pig. Farmers raise pigs specifically for their meat, ensuring they're healthy and well-fed. Once the pigs reach the right size, it's off to the processing plant. Transporting pork belly is serious business. Refrigerated trucks keep the meat cold and safe from bacteria. Temperature control is key to maintaining freshness and quality. Upon arrival at the factory, the pork bellies undergo another round of inspections. Only the best bellies make the cut for bacon production. Inside the factory, skilled workers, often with the help of automated machines, trim the pork bellies into uniform slabs. This ensures each bacon slice will be the same size and thickness. They remove excess fat and any blemishes, guaranteeing only the highest quality meat goes into making your bacon. Inspection is a crucial part of the process. Trained inspectors examine each slab, checking for any imperfections or signs of contamination. They are sticklers for detail, ensuring only the best and safest pork bellies move on to the next stage, curing. This dedication to quality control is what gives us peace of mind with every crispy bite. This is where the magic really starts to happen. The journey from simple pork belly to the delicious bacon we all know and love begins with the curing process, a crucial step that transforms the meat both in flavor and in texture. In modern factories, this stage is a blend of tradition and technology, with massive machines and skilled workers working side by side to ensure every slice of bacon meets the highest standards. Curing is what gives bacon its characteristic savory, smoky flavor and also extends its shelf life, making it safe to eat for longer periods. Without curing, bacon would simply be seasoned pork, lacking that signature taste and aroma that makes it so irresistible. There are two main methods used in the industry: wet curing and dry curing. Each method has its own unique process and results in slightly different flavors and textures, catering to a variety of tastes and preferences. In wet curing, the pork bellies are immersed in a salty brine solution, which is sometimes injected directly into the meat to ensure even distribution of flavors and preservatives throughout the entire cut. This method is efficient and widely used in large-scale production. The brine solution typically contains a precise blend of salt, sugar, and sometimes sodium nitrite or celery powder. These ingredients not only preserve the meat and prevent spoilage, but also help develop that classic pink color and distinctive bacon flavor. The addition of spices can further enhance the taste, making each batch unique. Dry curing, on the other hand, involves carefully rubbing the pork bellies with a mixture of salt, sugar, and a variety of spices. This method is more traditional and requires patience, as the meat is left to cure for several days or even weeks, allowing the flavors to develop slowly and deeply. Although dry curing takes longer than wet curing, the result is a more concentrated, intense flavor that many bacon enthusiasts prefer. The slower process allows the spices and salt to penetrate every layer of the meat, creating a rich and complex taste profile. Whether using the wet or dry method, the curing process is essential for developing the deep, savory flavors and appealing texture that make bacon so beloved. It's this careful balance of science and artistry that creates the irresistible bacon taste we all crave, ensuring every bite is packed with flavor and satisfaction. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for: smoking. This step is what truly elevates bacon to legendary status. The cured pork bellies are hung on racks and slowly smoked for hours, sometimes even days, in large smokehouses. Different woods like hickory, applewood, or maple impart unique flavors to the bacon. The smoking process does more than just add flavor, it also acts as a natural preservative. The smoke helps to inhibit bacterial growth, extending the bacon's shelf life. The combination of heat and smoke works its magic, transforming the pork belly into the smoky, savory delicacy we know as bacon. After their smoky sauna session, the bacon slabs need to cool down. They're rapidly chilled to a specific temperature to prevent bacterial growth. This rapid cooling also helps to firm up the bacon, making it easier to slice later on. Once chilled, the bacon gets a little R&R resting, that is. The resting period allows the flavors to meld and the texture to develop further. Think of it like letting a good steak rest after cooking. This downtime is essential for achieving that perfect balance of tenderness and chewiness in every bite. Now that the bacon is chilled and rested, it's time to turn those slabs into the familiar strips we all know and love. This is where those high-speed slicing machines come in. These marvels of engineering can slice through multiple slabs of bacon simultaneously, creating uniform slices with incredible precision. You can find bacon sliced to different thicknesses, from thin and crispy to thick cut and chewy. Some factories even offer specialty cuts like diced bacon or bacon bits, perfect for sprinkling on salads or adding to recipes. Those perfectly sliced strips of bacon are almost ready for your plate, but first, they need to be packaged for freshness and safety. Vacuum sealing is a common method used to remove excess air from the packaging, which helps to prevent oxidation and spoilage. This ensures the bacon stays fresher for longer, preserving its flavor and quality. Labels are applied with important information like the expiration date, storage instructions, and of course the brand. Quality control checks are performed throughout the packaging process to maintain those high standards from start to finish. The final step in this delicious journey is getting the bacon from the factory to your plate. Refrigerated trucks transport the packaged bacon to grocery stores and restaurants across the country. Temperature control remains crucial during shipping to ensure the bacon arrives fresh and ready to cook. Thanks to efficient logistics and supply chains, you can find a package of bacon at your local grocery store almost any day of the week. From online orders delivered to your doorstep to grabbing a pack on your way home from work, there are more ways than ever to get your bacon fix. So there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the fascinating world of bacon production. What might seem like a simple strip of meat on your breakfast plate is actually the result of a complex and finely tuned process, blending tradition, technology, and a passion for flavor. From the farm to your fork, it's a carefully orchestrated process, with each stage playing a crucial role in creating that smoky, savory goodness. We've seen how it all begins with responsible sourcing and the care of animals on the farm, followed by expert trimming and preparation in the factory. The curing process infuses the meat with flavor, while smoking adds that signature aroma and taste we all crave. After chilling to lock in freshness, the bacon is precisely sliced and expertly packaged, ensuring every piece meets the highest standards of quality and safety. And let's not forget the final steps: shipping and distribution. Bacon travels in refrigerated trucks to warehouses and grocery stores, where it's carefully stocked and displayed, ready for you to take home. Every link in this chain is essential, working together seamlessly to bring us the bacon we know and love. Next time you're enjoying a plate of crispy bacon, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get there. From the hands of dedicated farmers and skilled factory workers to the shelves of your local store, each step is a testament to teamwork and innovation. It's a true testament to the ingenuity of food production and the simple pleasures in life. The next time you hear that sizzle or catch a whiff of smoky bacon, remember the symphony of effort and expertise that made it possible. Now, if you'll excuse me, all this talk about bacon has made me hungry. Whether you like it crispy or chewy, on its own or as part of a hearty breakfast, bacon's journey from factory to fork is truly something to savor.